So we decided to stay one night at the Hotel Hacienda in the Guachepelin province of Costa Rica, and at their adventure center they had a full adventure day combo pack that we decided to take, and it started off with horseback riding. Now mind you, neither of us have really rode horses, and I think the last time I was on a horse was last year for about 10 minutes. The next adventure was probably my favorite, which was the river tubing. Now, I've never been river tubing up until this point, and I thought it was going to be like lazy river with a cocktail, but it was class 2 rapids. It was fantastic, and the water was exhilarating. What I really liked is that there was always a tour guide in the water with you at every point to help you. There was a group of people that clearly have never done anything adventurous in their life, and they were so dramatic. Now this was my favorite part of the tubing. At the end, we ended in this very thin channel. It was gorgeous.
That was really cool. Yeah.
The next adventure was ziplining, or as Costa Ricans call it, canopy tours. And this was a very fun zipline because it consisted of Tarzan swings, rappelling, and rock wall climbing. We should rappel down, and if we rappel down, we have to make it back up.
We could do this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we've done this already. We've been trained for this.
This was the point that I was very nervous just to let go and jump.
Hey babe, I think I changed my...
Well, obviously I make it safely down and I make it all the way back up because I'm just that girl.
There you go. Yeah.
I mean, these canyons were so beautiful. It was such a great experience. Now, after a long day of all that adventure, we took a hike down to all of the natural hot springs that are heated with various temperatures by the Rincon de la Vieja Volcano. The first one we decided to try was 113 degrees, the hottest. Well, that's Chris for you. Next up was my favorite part of the hot springs, which was using the volcanic mud all over our body to get like a natural spa experience.
What are we gonna do today?
I'm gonna stand over
We're
here.
gonna get some mud on, and then we're gonna get naked.
So if you're ever in the Guanacaste province of Costa Rica, definitely check out the Hotel Hacienda and their adventure center, because that day was fantastic. And don't forget to like and follow.